Question on division of polynomial. Hi, welcome to ONYE-NKUZI Science Academy. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Find the quotient and remainders when g of s is divided by s plus 2. B. F of s is divided by s minus 1. C. B of s is divided by 3s squared plus 2s plus 1. Solution. S plus 2 is called the divisor, while 2s cubed plus 5s squared minus 9s minus 18 is called the dividend. The first step is to use the first term of the divisor, which is s, to divide the first term of the dividend, which is 2s cubed. We get 2s squared, which is called the quotient, is then used to multiply the divisor. We subtract to get s squared. We bring down minus 9s. We repeat the same step. S dividing s squared, we have plus x. Then plus s multiplying s plus 2, the divisor. So we get s squared plus 2s. So we subtract s squared minus x squared is 0. Minus 9s minus plus 2s will give us minus 11s minus 18. So we divide again, we have minus 11. Minus 11 times s plus 2, we have minus 11s minus 22, which gives us 4 as the remainder. So therefore, the quotient and the remainder of g of s when divided by s plus 2 are 2s squared plus s minus 11 and 4 respectively. So we'll move to solution B. Our divisor is s minus 1, while our dividend is 2s cubed minus 3s squared plus 4s minus 1. So we'll continue with the process, the steps. We have 2s squared, then we divide again. S divide minus s squared, we'll have minus x. Minus s times the divisor, we have minus s squared plus x. When we subtract, we have 3x minus 1. We repeat the same step. We have plus 3, and plus 3 times the divisor, we have 3s minus 3. And when we subtract, we have 2. Therefore, the quotient and the remainder of f of s when divided by s minus 1 are 2s squared minus s plus 3 and 2 respectively. So we'll move on to solution C. Here our divisor is 3s squared plus 2s plus 1. We'll start the same step. We have 2s as the quotient. When we divide s squared, dividing 6 cubed. And we'll also do 2s times the divisor. We'll have this. Then we'll subtract. We'll have minus 3s plus 5. The divisor can't divide this, so we'll leave it like this since we can't divide this. So therefore, the quotient and the remainder of p of s when divided by 3s squared plus 2s plus 1 are 2s and minus 3s plus 5 respectively. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click the subscribe button. Support me by liking and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.